how to remove unwanted things from our photo, and I will remove that boy from the photo. First of all, open any browser in your mobile or laptop and then go to search bar and search there Magic Studio. When you search there, then click on Magic Studio, and here you can see the official website of Magic Studio, magicstudio.com. Then just click on it. When you click on it, I will also provide you the website link in the video description. You can click and go to website. And here you can see the option of start now for free. When you click on it, you have to create account and can put your email there, and you can continue with Google. I am continue with Google. Then I will click on it, and here I have to accept my account. When I accept my account, then I have to click on continue. After clicking on continue, my account will create it. After that, here you can see three options: remove things, magic razor, remove and change background, and add or change things with text. Now go to first. I am just clicking on it and then click on upload option, and now go to your place where you have photos, and I am my photos in desktop. Then I will click on it and I am putting my photo. After putting your photo, you have to remove the object and you have to magic razor use on it, and from here you can select the magic razor brush size, and I am decreasing the size, and you can decrease or increase size from here, and I am decreasing the size according to my pick. And after that, select the pick which do you want to remove. I am want to remove just that, and after that, after selecting the area, just click on erase option. When you click on erase, your object will be removed from the photo, and here you can see the object has been removed, but some ingredients are showing. So again, brush the image and also removed him, and when I click on remove erase, image will be permanently removed from the photo. And this is a tutorial how we can remove unwanted thing from photo.